Namaste, I'm Sam. Welcome back to my yoga classes here on YouTube channel. In this class, we're going to be jumping right into the Vinyasa. This is typically the middle part of the 1 hour class that I would teach during an in-person session. But if you just only have a couple of minutes and you're wanting to get that fast, flowy, young energy in, I'm offering this to you here. It feels really good. You're going to feel amazing afterwards. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. We'll meet in downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Fingers spread wide, hips up high in the air, just starting out here, connecting to the body and the breath. Maybe walking out the dog, shifting the tail, the hips left and right. Breathing in through the nose and releasing through the nose or the mouth on the exhale. Inhale, right foot is going to go high, three-legged dog. Maybe you roll out the ankle. Maybe you bend heel to glute, stretch through the hips. Inhale, straighten that right leg long. Exhale, right foot in between the hands, low lunge, back left knee drops down. Inhale, look up, arms stay by the side, open, broaden through the collarbone. Inhale. Exhale, moving back to half splits, Ardha Hanumanasana, half monkey, straightening out the front leg, walking the hands back, focusing on a flat spine. Imagine the nose past the toes. Every inhale you fill up with air, you flatten and straighten. Every exhale you fold a bit deeper, maybe dropping the head in a bow. One more inhale. Exhale, right sole of the foot to the mat, left hand drops inside that right foot, left toes and knee pick up, crescent, lunge, twist, right arm to the sky, open, crack open that heart, look up, breathe in, fingertips wide. One more inhale, twist through the core. Exhale, frame that front foot, and as you inhale, you come up for Crescent Warrior, arms reaching up, palms facing one another, back left toes on a stiletto, front knee in a line over that front ankle, good. Breathing in. Exhale, open arm twist, left arm forward, right arm back. Exhale. Inhale back through to Crescent, we're moving dynamically now. Exhale back to open arm twist. Good, one more inhale, Crescent. Exhale, open arm twist. Inhale to Crescent. Exhale, Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2, back left foot spins flat, in center with the top right heel, arms parallel to the floor, knee pushing out to the pinky side edge of that front foot. Good, flip open the front palm, reach forward, inhale, reverse, straighten that front right leg, reach up and back. Good, and exhale, Trikonasana, triangle pose, right hand inside of that leg, left arm up to the sky, or you can drop the right hand down onto the floor, or a block if you have one nearby, look up. Can you align your chin with your shoulder? One more inhale, look up. Exhale, left hand down, frame that front foot. We pop that back left foot about halfway up. We're coming into pyramid pose. Inhale, halfway lift. If you have a block, hands to the block, or you can interlace the hands behind, straighten out the arms, straighten out the elbows. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Frame that front foot, coming in for a twist. Left hand stays down. Right arm opens up. Again, if you have a block here, this helps bring the floor closer to you. Feels nice as well. Another inhale. Exhale, bring it back down. Frame that front foot. Again, we're moving dynamically into some poses. So now we're coming into crouching tiger with the hands on the mat. You have that back knee connected to that right calf. Inhale, straighten that left leg long. Exhale, crouching tiger, bend the standing leg, knee to tap calf. Good, again, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, tap. One more inhale, lengthen. Exhale, tap and hold the posture, not the breath. Maybe you lift the hands, floating them into prayer center. Good, inhale, come to rise. Left knee comes up with you. Arms reach up. Exhale, right hand outside, left knee twist. Look back at that back left arm. Rooting through that right foot. Inhale, back through to center, arms reach up. Exhale, standing figure four, left ankle on top of right knee, squat down. Maybe you drop the elbows down to the leg. Breathing in and out. Next inhale takes you back up, knee comes with you, arms reach up. Exhale, sit back down for Utkatasana, chair pose, big toes to touch, heels spread apart, knees pressing into one another. Breathe in. Exhale, bird bath, hands by the side, come up on the tippy toes, lift the heels. Good, we're moving into dynamic. Drop the heels, inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, bird bath. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, bird bath, hold the posture, not the breath. Up as high as you can on those tippy toes. Breathe in. As you exhale, you drop the soles, heels of the feet. Inhale, shoot up, arms reach up, mini back bend. Exhale, forward fold over the legs, drop the head, chin to chest. Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift long spine. Exhale, press back to plank pose. Good, and if you're feeling ready, you can keep the knees up, or you can exhale, lower the knees down, lower chest, chin, or all the way. Inhale, baby cobra or full cobra with the arms straight. Whatever feels nice right now. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Nice. Breathe it out. Maybe stick out the tongue, lion's face. Beautiful. And we'll do that all again on the other side. When you're ready, inhale, left leg rises, three-legged dog. Maybe roll out the ankle, maybe bend heel to glute, open up the quad. Inhale, lengthen and straighten. Exhale, foot in between the hands, a low lunge, drop the right knee, open, smile through the collarbone, look up. One more inhale. Exhale, walk the hands back. Ardha Hanumanasana, half monkey. Pick up the toes. Weight on the heel. Stretch through the hamstring. Inhale, breathe in. Flat back. Exhale, forward fold. The inhale, you create space in the body. The exhale, you move into that space. Uno mas. One more inhale. Exhale, left sole of the foot to the mat, crescent lunge twist, right palm inside, back right knee picks up, left arm opens. Ah. One more inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down. Get the gathering of your feet. Feel sturdy when you're ready. Crescent lunge, arm reaches up. Both palms facing one another, shoulders melting away from the ears. Inhale. Exhale, open arm twist, right arm forward, left arm back. Look at that back left hand. Inhale up to crescent, good. Exhale, open arm twist, 2. One more, inhale, crescent. Keep lunging deep, exhale, twist. Inhale, crescent. Exhale, warrior 2, flatten that back right foot. Front heel in line with center of back foot, palms parallel to the floor, arms engaged. You are such a strong warrior. Left palm flips open, we reach forward, inhale, reverse up and back, straighten through the left leg. Reach, straighten through the arm. Exhale, Trikonasana, triangle pose, left hand comes to the leg or to the floor, right arm reaches up. Back sole of foot is flat, anchored down into the floor. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more inhale. Exhale, frame that front foot, step that back foot up about halfway. Pyramid pose. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Whatever arm variation you like, maybe hands to the hips, block or clasped. Flat back. Imagining that your chest is coming to touch the knee, that your chin is coming to touch the toes. One more inhale. Exhale, drop the hands down, coming into that pyramid twist. Right hand comes down to the floor or towards a block to bring the floor closer to you. Left arm goes up high, lengthen, reach. Straighten through both legs, pull that back left hip back. One more inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down. We move into that crouching tiger. Right knee, left calf, bend left knee. Arms down. Inhale, straighten both legs. Straighten left leg, right leg back. Inhale. Exhale, tap, connect. Inhale, lengthen, reach back. Stretch. Exhale, tap, connect. One more inhale, lengthen, doing great. Exhale, tap, connect, bend, crouching tiger, hold the pose, not the breath. Maybe you float the hands into prayer center. On that inhale, you come all the way up, standing leg on that left leg, right arm, right leg comes up, arms reach up, and as you exhale, left hand outside right knee, right hand to the back of the room. Maybe you look at the floor, maybe you look at the wall, maybe you look behind you. One more inhale, come back through to center, reach up, anchor through that foot. Exhale, standing figure four, right ankle on top of left knee, hands to prayer center, squat down, sit down. Breathe in, nice and smooth. Breathe out, nice and controlled. Maybe you drop the elbows down. Doing phenomenal. Next inhale, you come back up. That knee comes with you. Reach up, reach up, reach up. Exhale, squat down for chair pose. Big toes to touch, heels spread apart. Inhale, lift up just a little bit. Exhale, hands back on the tippy toes, bird bath, like you're sipping out of water. The chest is reaching forward. Inhale, drop back. Chair pose, exhale, bird bath. Inhale, drop back. Exhale, bird bath. Last one, inhale, Utkatasana, squat low, nice and low. Really nice, good. Exhale, bird bath. Hold the pose, not the breath. Up high on those tippy toes, knees are pressing into one another. Core is engaged, hands are reaching back behind you. Fingers are aware. Good, and exhale, release the heels down. Inhale, shoot on up, arms reach up overhead. Mini back bend. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana, chin to chest, drop the head. Inhale, halfway lift long spine. Ardha Uttanasana, exhale, press back to plank pose. Fire, move through your high to low, up to down. And we'll meet in child's pose just for a moment. Connecting the forehead to the mat, arms extended out in front of you, big toes to touch, hips pressing back on heels. Balasana, breathe into that low back, breathe into the belly. Inhale, coming to rise, up on our knees, sitting on our knees for a moment, ending here in a moment of meditative posture, meditation. The whole purpose of how yoga originated was so that meditators could sit longer without pain in the body. So that is why we practice movement, is to find stillness. Bringing our thumb knuckles to our heart center. Taking a moment, honoring yourself for showing up to your practice
and to your mat, to your body, to your mind, to your spirit. Inhaling, our thumb knuckles up, third eye, forehead center. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for sharing your light with the world. May all beings be happy, free, and at peace. And together we bow our heads as we say, Namaste. Thank you so much for joining the practice. It was so lovely to practice alongside you. Be sure to comment below any of your favorite poses or what you would like to see in upcoming yoga classes on the YouTube channel. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any classes that I have tied in with all of the vlogs that I'm also posting. Share this with somebody who might need a yoga class today. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.